If your WhatsApp calls aren't working or you're unable to connect, don't worry. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fit step by step. Let's begin. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your mobile data or Wi-Fi is stable and strong. Next, turn on airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off again. This helps refresh your network settings. Now go back to your home screen and press and hold the WhatsApp icon. Tap on App Info or the small I button. Scroll down and select Storage and Cache. Here, tap on Clear Cache. Don't worry, this won't delete your chats or data. Then go back and choose Force Stop. Confirm by tapping OK. After that, open the Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and update it if a newer version is available. Once done, go back to your home screen and restart your phone. After restarting, open WhatsApp again and try making a call. Your problem should now be fixed. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes like this.